Hello all. Today we are going to see about another tool called Firecrawl. Today also I came up with another tool only, not a technical video. I'm sorry for that. But this is a very useful tool is what I thought. Uh, Firecrawl is nothing but like crawling the websites. You may think then what's the difference between the Beautiful Soup or any other crawling Python library which is already exists. This is open sourced under AGPL 2.0 license. The main feature over here is scraping websites. Not only around scraping websites, it scrapes the website with the LLM readiness with data, LLM ready data output. So its features are like it can able to scrape very complex URLs. Main thing what they claim is the LLM ready format. It can be markdown format, structured format, HTML. It can be a very structured output while scraping. It can able to scroll and map features are there. So if you give a single URL, right, it may able to map all the URLs present inside the website. So it is easy to crawl and map. The other main feature is search. So if you want to search something, you can integrate with any DuckDuckGo or any search engine, so that if you give a title, it will search, then crawl and map, then scrape the data. It can extract a single page or multi pages or entire website using AI. All they have done over here. Their main capability over there, what they claim is LLM ready formats, like it will be markdown or structured data. First one. Second is like they have the proxy handling, anti-bot mechanism, dynamic content generation, or output parsing, orchestration. Everything it can handle. It seems it can. The capabilities are like it can exclude tags, crawl behind the auth walls. That's all what they claim. Media parsing also they support PDF, docs, images. They support all these. They have an actions like click, crawl, input, or wait for more data before extracting data. Everything they have. The main new feature over there, what they have done is like batching. They can do thousands of crawling at the same time with the async endpoint is what they claim. So these are all the very important features what we are going to see in this file crawl. Let's see how to use it, how to locally set up and run it. Let's see all those things. uh, let's go into the video. So this is their Firecrawl GitHub link. Just committed 39 minutes ago, it seems. It's a quite active repository and it is licensed under AGPL 3.0 license. Please be mindful of it. I think we can't use it for commercial purpose, I guess. Um, the Firecrawl, if you see the README, it will be mostly on how to use each and every feature, crawling or check crawl job or scrapping, map or search. Everything will be given here. But if you want to self-host, there is a file here, selfhost.md. This is a important file. If we see the main important requirements will be like a Docker should be installed and the env file should be. We need to set up the env file. Let's try to clone this website. We will open the self.md. My Docker setup is all ready. I'm just running my Docker. Please make sure your Docker is running. We need to create a .env file. Okay. Mm, we'll do that. Let's go into, yes, let's go into Firecrawl. Now, if we do ls, we have all the files. We need to create uh, envim.env. Okay, we'll try to create env file. Required envs are all these should be required. Next optional, the open API key you can provide. Experimental OLAMA you can use. Um, they also provide open API base your open API compatible API server. Oh, whatever is compatible on open API server, that is also fine. Proxy servers, okay, we can add it over here. Search API, serving, okay, searching API you can provide like Google search engine and categories, everything. Others is like support DB authentication, advanced logging. Okay, all these are given here. Test API. Use you have set authentication. You want to test a real-time API. Okay, I didn't understand much. Okay, you can add Redis also over here. Llama parse API, Slack webhook post. I really don't know much about all these API, but let's try to use Olama here. Let's copy this and paste it over here. Do we need a embedding model? Okay, I didn't know that. Let me copy this. Okay, we got model we need. DeepSeek R17B. Okay, let's make these two model ready in our Olama. So let's move to the next steps. Once these are all done right, we will add only these two. Let's see how it is going. Let's save this, right, and quit. So how to run this? Um, let's see if we have any documentation. Yeah. Okay. Next is Docker Compose build, Docker Compose up. These are all the two comments. That's good. Okay. Finally, we are done. Uh, the Docker Compose build and Docker Compose up is now in writing. View Docker desktop. O for view config. W for enable watch. Okay. Got it. Okay. We are less interested in that. Let's go into this one. Okay, first we need to test, right? We'll just post this curl command. What is this? Mm, yeah, success. Okay, to test it, we have ran it. Okay, this is success. I think it's time to get out from this page, I guess. I was slightly confused for a minute. Let's go to Firecrawl and see if there is any. We have a URL here. We have a curl command. What are they asking? I think we need to change the endpoint. We'll try to change the endpoint. We don't need this authentication. Returns the crawl, job ID, and the URL check status of the crawl. Okay, okay. So we don't need this. We'll change this to 0.0.0.0 colon 3002. Yes, okay, I got it. If we open this, let me take it to this page. HTTP, let's put it pretty print. Success, status completed. This is the data. This is what we get from over here. Twitter card. Okay, we have so many things here. Okay. I think the overall crawling has happened, I guess. So once after this, we tested, right? I like you to bring you all to here. This is the documentation page. If you see here, very important feature they itself have given here. Like scrape, crawl, map, search, extract, Fire-1. These are all the important things what we need to see. If we see under scrape, right? Scrape is like nothing but scraping a single page. If you know what is the exact URL you want to scrape, then you can easily scrape it and store get the output as markdown or structured data, screenshots or HTML. So whatever you can give as an input what is the URL you want to scrape, then what all formats you need, you can give us the format and you get the response same way. Like scrape formats are markdown HTML, raw HTML, screenshot, link or JSON. Everything is possible. Extract with structured data, we can also extract via structured output, like how LLMs do today. Next, extract without schema, basically extracting a single page with actions also we can perform, it seems. So these are all available here. Next comes the crawl. Crawl also comes for multiple pages. If you're giving a root domain, right, then you need to map all the subdomains and links within that root domain, everything it crawls, then it extracts the data. So it is crawl is like, if you know this is the overall domain I have, I need to extract all the pages, then you give it to the crawl, and the crawl will take care like a high level domain to extracting inner details. So docs.firecrawl.dev means inside that every link will be taken and scrolled, and it will be given as markdown or HTML. Then comes the map. Map is something like both crawl and scrape. So you give the original domain, then it gives back the links what all available, and the subdomains which are all available. Then you can map with search. So you can even search using the search feature over here, and also if you need from this map, you can pass it to crawl or scrape to do all other things. So search is nothing but if you have a natural query, then it brings up with the searching things. So it's nothing but like Google search or DuckDuckGo search, Bing search. So API kind of thing also happening here. Extract is another important here, we need to notice. Extract is a what to say, if you have some exact URL and you want to ask something to get as an output, right? So they have provided all these URL and ask the prompt, extract the company's mission, whether it supports SSO and whether it is open source and whether it is a Y Combinator from a page. So they are giving this prompt also, then they expect schema as an output schema from here. So this is like extract with LLM. So this is what happening inside. So you give a LLM API keys or local LLMs, then you give the website. So you make the LLM to find the details from those URLs and get back the results whatever you need. Okay. Then comes the fire agent one. This is a nice agent. It's more than nice agent. What we can say is like uh, it is a computer use, exactly to say. I have seen multiple demos of them. So basically, if you give a granular or a very detailed um, prompt or thing what you want as an output, right? So exactly does the computer use, then it extracts the data and give us a structured output for you. So these are all over here. The main claim over is it is open sourced. Yeah, if you see the computer use, browser use itself open source, yeah, I know that. But still, if you have scrape, only you need to scrape. If you have all the URLs from site.xml, sitemap.xml, you can use it scrape or crawl or find map. So those are all open source and it's useful for us. And the primary claim is like every anti-bot and everything they can able to handle, and they also what to say, it's async, so it can do it things faster. So these are all the important features is what uh, I felt to be shared in this tool. Yeah, this is a tool, not a technical documentation. And yesterday I tried, and a few demos were failing, and few demos I was trying, going through their website demo also. So today I thought to let's conclude this. So if you see, there are primarily four features or five features. One is scrape, crawl, map, search, and extract. Then the sixth one is their agent. Scrape is like for only one site. Crawl is for if you have a high level domain and you want to know what all subdomains they extract from there. Then map is something like what are all links you have, so that you can scrape or crawl over that. And next comes the search. The search is nothing but a Google search kind of thing they have. Next comes the extract. If you give a prompt and the domains, it will search, extract the text and search it over there, and uh, give you the exact answer as structure output. Agent mode, it's like a computer use. If you give a granular, very granular, where this computer use while data extraction use, I mean data extraction can come into picture is like if you want to apply a filter in Amazon and extract those products alone, right? Then these kind of computer use text extraction or content extraction will be more useful. Um, so I thought to give you an overview on this. Let's see how you can use it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment. Soon see you in another video. Claude 4 has been released. I know that. I mean, we can do a benchmarking video. Many would have been already done it. Let's see how it goes. If possible, let me put us in a separate video also. Thank you. Bye.